Right, world's quickest video on changing an indicator bulb on a 2011 Qashqai because I'm running late. If your indicator light does this, start slow. This one's going normal speed. Right, this one faster, listen. Yeah, it means you've got a bulb out. Have a wander around. All good, all good, all good, all good. Not good. So literally come round, lock the car, open the boot. What you got here? Two bolts, 10 mils. All right. So a 10mm socket. One, done. Two. Oh, where'd that go? There we go. Done. Now this will just pull out. Right, so we got this. Now, you need to undo these clips. Pull that. Pull this bit up. It's not easy with one hand, is it? Look. There we go. That bit done there. And then this one. Here we are. There's your culprit. Push it, turn it, undo it. Job's a good one. So these are the bulbs I got from Amazon. You can get one obviously from Halfords. These are the 21 watt 12 volt bulbs. I think the code is this bit here, the 581s, but I'll put a screenshot in of Amazon or Halfords or whatever so you know what you're getting. But essentially, get these bad boys open. So there's the one to come out. These ones don't have the metallic cover on, but I don't think that's a big deal really, to be fair. Look, yeah, same. So where's our thing here? Look, so literally stick that in. Look. Oh, there you go. Look, they're not straight, these bits. Look, the little prongs on the side of the bayonet aren't opposite each other, so that will only go around one way. Look, not that way. Won't fit that way. So just need to turn it around. There we go. See, easy peasy. So now it's literally reversal. So I'm not going to be able to necessarily do this with. Well, let's try and do it with one hand, shall we? See if we can do it. So the way that came out was. Whoop. That bit there clicked in first. Clicked in, didn't it? And that's clicked in. Right, now, important bit, look, you've got these two prongs, that one, hole there, and a hole down there. So line those up. Push that back in, holes there have lined up, look. Now always importantly, always just thread these in with your fingers first to make sure that that's seated, because you don't want to strip the thread on these, particularly if you're using a impact driver like I am. Yeah, just there you go, just line the hole up. Turn that one in. See, you should be able to go finger tight, that one's not in straight. Unscrew it and you'll feel it click when it goes in. There we go, that'll do. Ah. Gentle. Yeah, it doesn't need to click and really hammer it home. It's only plastic, don't over tighten it. Job's a good one. So there you go, been putting it off for too long. Just get it done. All good.